Rockspace 617. Logical.
I love you, Carly.
Rest in peace, Andre, you heard? I remember me and this nigga used to try to buy girls in the Prudential. We the only two niggas that knew that shorty's like a nigga ain't uniform, you heard? So we were just trying to, make it do what it do.
Cause I've been thinking about forever. Cause I've been thinking about forever. If I'm giving you love, are you giving it back? Ain't no chasing a child. Cause I've been thinking about forever. If I'm holding you down, are you sticking around? Ain't no messing up now. Cause I've been thinking about forever. Beautiful body, pretty face, sit on me shit. Tell me all your deepest, darkest secrets. Look how quick she run away to keep it. Skeletons in the closet, got her tripping like the weekend. Hold up, she want a big dick, good job. Nigga with some clean teeth and a clean tee. Let's not forget about the hygiene, but she can't even do the same, nigga. Cause she way too busy with the main nigga. Got you thinking if your paintbrush bigger, it wouldn't matter cause some chick for the street. She certified with her own ID. And to herself, she the VIP. She fuck with so many niggas back in the day, she probably stuck with a STD. Hey, you want that energy? Shit, well then good luck. I'm needing more life than a good fuck. I just need honesty, dedication with some good love. Really need empathy, no sympathy, only good trust. If I'm giving you love, are you giving it back? Ain't not chasing a check. Cause I've been thinking about forever. If I'm holding you down, are you sticking around? Ain't no messing them now. Cause I've been thinking about forever. Yo, only time to tell if I decide you worthy. I done been around the block before I know some bitches dirty who don't care about your feelings or your situation. Slap your daughter and your mama, some of these bitches crazy. Blow up your car, fuck up your shit like you don't know no ladies. Until I find a mind like mine, there will not be no baby. Try to use a child for some gain is how I'm feeling lately. I drive 100,000 miles just so she can hate me. I need forever love, but love lasts forever. We ain't gon' switch up like the weather. Stick it out, thick it thin, do whatever. Stick it out, thick it thin for each other. Stick it out, thick it thin, bread and butter. I'm giving you love.